Faded Mafia. First off, let me say, hey, what's up, Faded Mafia? Your boy Crash Out Kid is back with another banger YouTube video right now. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Right now, I'm finna be smoking through a fucking blizzard right now. Y'all see the fucking streets and shit. Y'all see around. Y'all see right now the streets is way fucking bad. It's fucking cold. But yeah, I was online and I seen that there was a blizzard coming our way. So I thought to myself, I'm seeing everybody posting on Facebook, IG, Snapchat. Everybody's posting on every social media, telling people to stay inside. There's a blizzard heading our way. It's gonna be bad. So I thought to myself, you know what? Fuck it. I might as well just go outside today, spark up the little fucking blizzard. But yeah, this is gonna be a banger for me. Everybody is saying stay inside. I might as well just pull up out. Well, I am already outside, but yeah, I told myself I might as well just pull up outside, hot box during the fucking blizzard. But yeah, this is gonna be the video for me. Shit, I got snow going in my crotch. Not gonna lie, I'm retarded for putting on some slippers, gang. I don't know why I'm wearing slippers right now. But alright, as y'all clearly see, the streets is empty. I'm in the middle of the fucking road right now. The streets is empty. Let's go over there real quick. Over here in the middle of this fucking road. Right now, I'm in the fucking middle of the road walking right now. But yeah, I'm posted up right here because there's an alley that has a lot of graffiti that looks nice and shit. So try to smoke in that alley. So we could have like a beautiful view and all that. But I'm not gonna lie, it's fucking cold. My hands is freezing. My feet is freezing. It's fucking cold. Everybody's gonna be looking at me right now like, what is this dumbass kid doing, gang? It's fucking cold. See, there's barely even... Oh, look at Brody. Should I ask bro if he wants to take a hit? Should I ask bro if he wants to take a hit? Yeah, but people are barely out here. Let me like move. Hey, you 420 friendly? You 420 friendly? Woo! Shit. Yeah. Bro out here wildin'. Damn, bro, wildin'. I feel like he finna hit a trick or some shit. Oh, nah, he leaving. He's leaving. Alright, but as y'all clearly see, I'm the only person out here walking this shit. Yeah, I am the dumbass out here walking this shit because everybody else is inside. My mom, she brought me out here. My ride was my mom. She was telling me too that I'm a dumbass coming outside because of the fact that everybody's gonna be inside. And, yeah. My mom thought I was actually gonna hotbox a store, but that was not my idea, feel me? My idea was to pull up outside and yeah, just do this shit, feel me? Alright, but let me show you this fucking alley real quick. This alley got graffiti. I think this is the alley, gang. What the fuck? Somebody else is walking. But this is the alley that supposedly looks good. See, there's graffiti right there. But there was an alley that I'm trying to go through where like people always go to take pictures and shit, but like it got some nice graffiti and shit. But that's what I'm trying to find right now. I'm trying to find that alley. Yeah, cause see, right now these buildings don't have that much graffiti, but the alley I'm talking about has hella graffiti. See, graffiti right there. My hands is turning red, gang. And the L shit is I don't have no fucking... Oh, I think that's what it is, cause I think that's the alley over there because yeah, see graffiti right there? But I think that's the alley right there that has all that nice graffiti. But yeah, I'm trying to go smoke at this one alley that has very nice graffiti. Like it has a lot of graffiti on the walls and shit. Oh yeah, my toes hurting, bro. My toes hurting. I'm not trying to do all this walking. I'm just trying to find that one good alley because yeah, everybody pulls up to this one alley I'm trying to go to. Everybody's always taking pictures there. The alley has like nice graffiti and all that. So that's where I'm trying to smoke at. Another fire station right there. Should I try to sneak in that one? I'm just playing. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that's not the alley though. That's not the alley. They don't have no graffiti. Bro, he's out here walking. I think it could be this one. I don't know, gang. I'm not trying to be I'm not trying to do a fucking walking segment. I'm just trying to hotbox for real. So I think I'm just finna hotbox right here. Cause there's a chair right here. I might just well do it right here, gang. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right here. I'm not gonna go walking around trying to find that fucking alley, gang. Should I try to find that alley? Cause low key, I want to hotbox that alley so bad. But right now, it's too cold to the point where I just want to get this shit over with. And I know y'all guys is not gonna want a walking segment, so I might as well just do it here. Damn, but there's fucking snow on that shit. I mean, there's other spots to walk to. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a real dumbass out here walking this shit. That shit's closed. Gang, I think I'm gonna, I can't really think about what alley it is. So I think I'm just gonna, hotbox someplace or some shit. Wait, hold up. That chair got, snow on it. I don't want to do that. I gotta find like a spot where I could place the phone at, and somewhere where like, I'm not gonna try to like do all this walking shit for real, because yeah, I just gotta get straight to the smoke sesh. Damn, over here it feels like it's getting warm, and the streets is cold or closed. Oh yeah. See, told you. There's a chair right here. Let's do it right here. Shit. One dumbass kid posted up outside, sparking up through the cold. Who else is doing this shit? There is a store right there I could go to. Bro, my finger can't even get the fucking lighter started. It's like cold, gang. Wait, I'm gonna have to do this real quick. Gang, the air is so cold to a point where like it's turning off the fucking lighter. Gang, it really is that cold out here. It turned off. Gang, I'm not gonna lie. This shit's kind of like going wrong because like the wind is blowing way too much and it's like turning off the fucking blunt. Hey, somebody's peeking through the blind. Somebody's trying to see what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know if I guys peeped the fucking window or could see the window, but somebody like peeped through the window to see what the fuck I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie, we gonna have to post up. Like, my grandma's crib ain't far from here, so I'm thinking I could probably just pull up to my grandma's crib and just probably be smoking inside her fucking her, what's it called? She got some fucking shed in her backyard, so I feel like that's a good thing to do. Yeah, I hear somebody in there, but it's like, gang, I'm not focused on them. Right now, I'm low-key getting stressed out because the wind, the air is like hitting way too bad right now. It's turning off the fucking blunts. And I can't spark it up. Not only that, my fingers, gang, my hand's red. Gang, my hand is red, bruh. That's how bad it is. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I have to find another spot because the wind is hitting right here. The wind is hitting. It's turning off the fucking blunts. Gotta find an angle where it's not hitting. But your boy is getting cold. Oh, look. Right here. Ooh, it's low-key getting warm right here. Right here is low-key a good spot, but my hands is freezing. Shit, I can't move my fucking hands. I can't, gang. It's like, fuck, bro. My hands is like getting stuck. I'm getting frostbite for real. Oh, yeah, look. Why did I try to attempt to open the door? Obviously, that fucking door is going to be closed. At the outside. I'm outside. I don't even know what I was saying. But I'm at the outside smoking the shit. My feet is hurting. It's mad fucking cold outside. It's like, what am I doing? I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail real quick. In the middle of the street too. Oh, there's a car right there doing. It's mad fucking like it's like a ghost town right now, gang. It's mad fucking crazy. Gotta get a thumbnail real quick. There's a car coming this way. Wait, hold up. Shit. I don't know if that was a good thumbnail, but fuck it. We gonna have to go with that. The dumb shit about this is that I'm wearing fucking slides right now. Nike fucking slides. Now I gotta retry another thumbnail attempt. Damn, cars are pulling up now. He driving hella slow. Oh shit, my dumb ass almost tripped. Well, I did trip, but I didn't fall. Not sure if that's a good one, but we're gonna have to stick with that one for sure. It's either the first thumbnail or the second one. First one or second. I feel bad for everybody that has to go outside right now to work and shit. Or today. Mind you, I do YouTube. I don't work at no job right now. Right now, only thing I do is YouTube. So right now I had the choice. See, what am I saying, gang? Right now I had a choice where it's either stay inside or go outside and film a video. I'm not forced to do this shit, but I chose to do this shit. And that's what I'm yeah, see, my bad, gang. But that's what I'm trying to say is, if you're working at a job, you're gonna have to get out there and work and shit. But if you do YouTube, you can choose when to go out there to film and shit. Gang, imagine if somebody just runs out of nowhere and snatches the camera. Sees the camera right there, so he chooses, snatches it, snatch the camera. Fuck it, there is a store in front of me. Should I just say fuck the challenge and just go inside the store? I know y'all guys gonna fuck with that regardless. Cause right now it's just like, gang, it's way too fucking cold right now. This shit sizzling. Wait, this bitch on rolling, gang. Damn, I was really asking that dude on the 4-wheeler if he 420 friendly, but he wasn't responding back. Nah, if we're gonna be honest, I don't think bro heard me. I don't think you heard me. And that 4-wheeler was mad loud too. Damn, I'm looking at my outfit right now and it's like, what the fuck am I wearing? So these is like Nike shorts, but I don't like how it's like, I don't fuck with these. But yeah, today I wasn't really planning to go outside. Let me just say that. So I just threw a fit on and just said, fuck it. I'm staying inside today. But then I thought, I went on Instagram and I seen that people were posting the outside. And I seen how the streets were like quiet and all that. And I was like, you know what? It might be a good time to be out there. Because shit, I could probably do a segment where I'm out there smoking and then try to get through that fucking cold and shit. But it's like, yeah, my thought was I was finna be out, like walking out and shit. But it's like, it's low-key too cold. And not only that, if the blunt turns off, the wind is gonna be blowing. The blunt's just gonna be turned off, and I'm gonna struggle, or I'm gonna sit there and struggle through, or try to like get the lit blunt or turned on and shit. See, it is. But yeah, if I'm out there walking and shit, I know the blunt's gonna turn off. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to sit the tripod down and the camera. I'm gonna have to try to relight that bit, and then yeah, I'm gonna struggle, and that shit's just gonna be turned off, and the video's gonna go wrong. So right now, I'm choosing to sit here because yeah, as you clearly see, the blunt is not like fucking up and shit. I'm not gonna lie, right here is a good spot to smoke. Over there, I see another good spot to smoke, but I don't see nowhere to sit the camera up. I can't fucking speak. Right now, it's actually making me cough. I ain't gonna lie, but if I go over there, there ain't gonna be nowhere to place down the camera. So I don't know. Imagine we could go through this bitch. This shit would be crazy. There goes Brody on the 4-wheeler again. I don't know if y'all hear him, but oh, he got somebody with him now. Bro got somebody with him now. I seen somebody like sitting right behind him. Shit, bro, when I stepped out there, that cold weather just hit me. Right now I'm feeling kind of warm right here though. Like it's like still cold, but it's like it's a little warm though. It's like if it's blocking a little bit of the wind out. Did something happen to him? Cause I heard them say, "Oh crap," and they driving mad fast too. Yeah, I'm praying to God they good though. I don't know Brody, but I'm praying that he good. Cause I ain't praying on nothing bad on nobody. And right now the streets is bad. If you out right now, stay safe, gang. Stay safe. These streets is mad fucking bad. And people right now on that 4-wheeler, they low key on some dumb shit right now. But yeah, hey, y'all should stay safe, gang. Right now it's not a good time to be doing all that dumb shit. Let me just say that. I'm not gonna lie, if I had a 4-wheeler, I would be out right now driving just like them. But I wouldn't be driving stupid and shit, like not fast and all that, because you gang. Right now, it's literally not the good time to do that shit. Unless if you mad good at driving bikes and shit, and you know how to like drift and just not make that shit happen. We really out here though. See, over there's another good spot to smoke, but there ain't no place for me to set down the camera. I had to place y'all down right there on that fucking cone. I probably should start doing a little segment where I walk out there. My bad. But shit, it's fucking cold. Down on Main. This is what you call Main Street right here. I am fucking retarded, dude. My toes are numb right now. Yesterday, if y'all seen the last night's stream, I chose to go out to smoke and shit. Gang, I'm not gonna lie, when I went inside the crib, that shit had my feet hurting and shit. Like, my toes were hurting. Literally, the pain I'm feeling right now, that's what I'm feeling right now, too. Or from yesterday. I'm over here fucking up. It's crazy because right now it's literally like if it's a ghost town right now. Oh shit, this shit was canoeing wrong. I'm gonna have to go back to that one spot so I could probably sit y'all down and just, yeah, chief on the rest, feel me? I'm not trying to be out here walking. Should I ask him if he's 420 from me? I don't know. I'd probably just yell it out, but I don't want to be something like a crackhead and shit. Not only that, he look like he a busy man right now, so I'm not gonna be a nuisance or whatever the fuck that word is. I'm not gonna be that. And yeah, well, he came over here regardless. Shit, yeah, I'm going back to that one spot. It's way too fucking cold. I don't know why the fuck I put these on, gang. I should have put shoes on. I got fucking snow all in my shit. It's like, gang. But I don't want to be a public nuisance or whatever the fuck you call it. Right now, I don't. I mean, dude on the bike, I was gonna ask him because shit. He out here like living his best days and shit, like out here turned up and shit. So I just thought, fuck it. He ain't out here doing shit. He just riding bikes. So might as well just ask him if he just want to take a hit. Shit. But I should have recorded him the first time, gang, because when he was pulling up, he was like drifting though. I low-key thought he was gonna do some fire shit, but nah. He was just like drifting for real. He wasn't really doing nothing crazy. But that drifting still fire though. Not gonna lie, I wish I knew exactly where that fucking one alley is. Because gang, if I get to next time, if I have the opportunity to do some shit like this, or if y'all guys fuck with videos where I'm out here just walking around and smoking and shit, I'll do more like this. But yeah, I feel like I need to find that one street though, that one alley. This shit low-key is a roach, but just want to chief on it a little bit more, gang. Alright, Fade Mafia, we gotta stomp out the roach. I couldn't even find that bitch at first. See, now it's stuck under my foot. Other than that, that was the smoke sesh outside during a fucking blizzard type shit. But I'm not gonna lie. As y'all see my hands, damn, your boy needs some lotion. My shit looking like an old grandpa for real. But yeah, your boy needs some lotion for real. Damn. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put some lotion once I get back to the crib, but let's forget about the lotion shit. As y'all clearly see, my hands is red as fuck. Hands is red. My feet hurting. My body's low-key warm, but my face, my hands, my feet is cold. Other than that, I'm just gonna wrap it up. Make sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned. Let me show y'all this shit though. The sky is white. Sky is white. Snow on the fucking ground. Just like Puffy said, snort that shit. Nah, psych, I'm not gonna snort that shit. Look at that nasty shit right there. I'm not gonna snort that shit. You got me fucked up. Other than that, yeah, I'm out. I'm out.